Their dream is to make robotics easy and fun for everyone. Their team created the Zyro, the world's first hand gesture controlled robotics kit for everyone. Zyro consists of 3 parts: the motorized modules, the smart glove, and the smartphone app. Zyro's modular design enables free-form robotics construction, enabling you to build virtually anything. Modules can be animated in a hinge or 360-degree rotational movement. Pair your glove to the modules with the smartphone app and bring your robot to life. Whether you're a robotics enthusiast, an aspiring superhero, evil genius in training, or someone looking to expand their creativity, Zyro is for you. Zyro is for all ages and all genders. There's no limitations. You can design and build it from scratch or use a pre-made starter kit. Design, build, rebuild. Zyro can be used over and over again, making new and different robots each time with the same modules. Learning should be fun and engaging. Unleash your creativity and be at the forefront of robotic technology with Zyro. Back us today and receive an exclusive Indiegogo discount on your kit.